Hi, I am Hadi Nia, an associate professor of biomedical engineering at Boston University. I am one of the recipients of the Beckman Young Investigator Award in 2022. Every generation of scientists faces questions that seem impossible to answer. Dr. Arnold Beckman believed that new discoveries often begin with a new tool. His inventions transformed how scientists measure, observe, and understand the world around them. Today, that legacy continues, not only through the instruments he created, but through a culture of innovations that empowers researchers to build new technologies for the next generation of discovery. That philosophy has profoundly influenced our work. We believe that many of the most important scientific questions remain unanswered, not because we lack ideas, but because we lack the tools needed to observe nature in new ways. The lung is one of the most remarkable organs in the human body. Every minute, it exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide, circulates blood through an intricate vascular network, and serves as a frontline defense against pathogens and pollutants. Yet, despite its importance, much of what happens inside a living lung remains hidden. The challenge is that the lung is constantly moving. It expands and contracts with every breath, and its delicate air sacs are buried deep within the chest. And many of the most important biological events occur at microscopic scales. For decades, scientists have had to choose between observing the lung in its natural state or obtaining high-resolution images of its cells. Doing both at the same time has been extraordinarily difficult. To address this challenge, our lab developed the crystal ribcage. The idea was simple in concept, but challenging in practice. Could we replace a portion of the chest wall with a transparent window that preserves normal lung function while providing continuous optical access? Achieving this required expertise from many fields: engineering, material science, biology, imaging, and medicine. Our team designed and fabricated transparent rib cages that integrate with the natural anatomy while allowing the lung to breathe beneath them. The result is a platform that enables direct visualization of living lungs at cellular resolution over an extended period of time. For the first time, we observe the same lung repeatedly, watching biological processes unfold in real time within an intact functioning organ. One of the first questions we explored was how air and inhaled particles move through the lung. Using the crystal ribcage, we discovered something unexpected. Not all air sacs receive inhaled particles equally. Instead, neighboring alveoli form distinct patterns, with some regions consistently receiving particles while others receive very little. This fundamental heterogeneity had remained hidden despite more than a century of lung research. The findings suggest that exposure to pollutants, allergens, pathogens, and even inhaled therapeutics may vary dramatically from one microscopic region of the lung to another. The crystal ribcage also provides a unique view of the lung's circulatory system. The lung contains one of the body's largest vascular networks. Every heartbeat sends blood through millions of tiny capillaries that surround the air sacs. By imaging these vessels directly, we can watch blood cells move through the living lung and measure how circulation changes during disease. This capability allows us to investigate how vascular dysfunction contributes to conditions such as pneumonia, fibrosis, cancer, and acute lung injury. Perhaps most exciting is the ability to visualize the immune system in action. The lung is constantly exposed to microbes and environmental challenges. Protecting it requires a highly coordinated response from both resident and circulatory immune cells. With a crystal ribcage, we can watch these cells patrol, communicate, migrate, and respond to infection in real time. This capability has allowed us to uncover new mechanisms of lung immunity and investigate how immune responses change with age, disease, and prior infections. By making previously invisible biological processes visible, the crystal ribcage is helping us answer fundamental questions about how the lung maintains health and responds to disease. The crystal ribcage is ultimately more than a device. It's a window into a living organ, a platform that enables discoveries that were previously impossible, and a reminder that transformative science often begins with a new way of seeing. That vision traces directly to Arnold Beckman's enduring legacy, empowering researchers to create new tools and expand the boundaries of discovery and improve